switch on the main supply of the controller like that. Then adjust the settings. Press the set button. Say this is squeeze time. Set about 85. Then press set button again. You will see the weld glowing. Set the weld time. Again set the button. You will see the forge time glowing. Then set that. Again go to the second. Again press the set button. You will see squeeze time second time. Adjust the squeeze time and adjust the weld time. Then adjust the forge time. Now this is the third sequence. Set the button, adjust the squeeze 3 times, weld 3 times, and forge third. Now you can adjust the repeat operation time. Say after the 3 welds are over, you can adjust the repeat time for the repeating of the welds. Say first 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, like that. Keep on continuing. Then put this cycle, repeat cycle switch towards the R cycle if you want to repeat the job, or put on 1 cycle if you want to weld 3 places and then stop. 1 cycle more. Then you can adjust the no weld switch. If you want to weld, put it on the weld side. Then adjust the heat percentages for cylinder 1 and 2, say about 25%. Second also say 25, third also say about 20%. Then the timer is ready for operation.